So students, as we were discussing shift, the factors on which the shift depends. The first was refractive index, second thickness of the denser medium. More the refractive index, more the thickness, more will be the shift. Similarly, color or wavelength. As we know that the refractive index for violet is more than that for red, so the refractive index, because the refractive index of violet is more, so the shift for violet is more for the same pair of media. Then there are examples to find out that what will happen to the apparent depth if you know the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3/2. Then what will happen to the apparent depth? It will become, if you know this is 3/2, the answer will become 2/3 of the real depth. It means that the object, when it is viewed from air and it is kept under glass, then its appearance will be 2/3 of its actual depth, otherwise without the glass slab. Similarly, in water it will become 3/4 as the refractive index of water is 4/3. But next case is bending of a stick underwater. This experiment you can do yourself, taking a tumbler of water filled with water, and tumbler should be of glass so that you can see what will be the position of the pencil, and if you put pencil in it or a pen in that tumbler and then you pour water in it, you will find that if you fill half the tumbler with water, then you will find that here where the interface of water and air is this, the stick will be found a little bit broken over here, and the size of the stick or the pencil will be different under water and above water. So this happens again due to the refraction from water, that is a denser medium, towards the air. You may take two rays, and when they are striking the interface, here normals can be drawn and they should be bending away from the normal. Then you back produce both the rays, you will find the image somewhere else, not at P, and here you may draw the dotted line to complete the diagram if you are going to draw the diagram. Now let us talk about what will happen. We have seen that the things observed from air, when the things are actually in denser medium, they observe to be shorter. We observe them and they are found to be shorter than their actual depth or actual size. But what if we are viewing from the denser medium the objects which are in rarer medium, just like a fish is always in underwater? What will be the scene for the fish of the outside world, outside the water? Actually, the bending takes place here from rarer to denser medium, because the light, if the object is in rarer medium, the light is coming from object towards the denser medium, and because at the interface the light has to bend away from the normal, if you back produce this incident refracted ray, you will find that the image will be found over here above the object's position. What does it mean, bache? It means that the objects will be appearing taller than their actual height when seen from the denser medium, when they are kept in rarer medium. So these are all the applications or consequences of refraction in our day-to-day life, in our actual life, not only the theoretical. Now some other consequences are also given in your book, so go through these. Like twinkling of stars is the result of refraction through the different layers of atmosphere having different densities. Because of that, the light of stars which is coming to our atmosphere, it bends, and because those layers are not stationary layers, that bending takes place continuously, and the light which enters the observer, its amount is somewhat changing. It may be increasing, decreasing, so that's why we feel that the stars are twinkling. Similarly, sun appears to us before it actually crosses the horizon due to the bending of sunlight through our atmosphere. That's why we see the sun even 2 to 3 minutes, actually it is 4 minutes approximately, before it crosses the horizon, before the actual sunrise. And similarly, after sunset, the sun's image is visible to the observers for 3 to 4 minutes. So actual duration of day is 8 minutes approximate longer than the otherwise duration of the day. Then coin, as I told you, coin will be appeared raised. Then some other examples are also there, so please read these examples, and I'll send you some more videos which are showing the consequences of refraction of light. Thank you so much.